Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, on the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the US dollar CAD, I mean, it definitely looks like five waves down. The dollar pairs do look like they are due for a bigger move to the upside. The only problem I have with that is the trend is definitely down on most of the higher time frames. And if this really is like a wave one on the weekly, monthly time frame, then most wave ones do take out the structure before they make a wave two, which we definitely have not done yet. So even if it does go up today, which I think there is a pretty good chance it will go up, I think it's just going to be a pullback, and I think that at some point, probably next week, we will get another push to the downside. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last move down, the last impulsive move down, one, two, three, four, five waves down. I personally would still be looking for shorts. If it makes a one, two, three-way pattern up to any one of these fib levels, makes a nice engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely take it as a short. On the other hand, if it does go up and start breaking structure, that's improved that would do for a much bigger move to the upside. So after the structure break, which is right here, I would wait patiently for a pullback, and then I would go long at the end of the pullback for potentially the continuation of a bigger move to the upside on the daily time frame. So just keep in mind that the trend is your friend, and the trend is definitely down on all the higher time frames, and the probabilities are probably higher that it will just continue down. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.